This video explores how to configure Lite-XL as the default editor for NuShell. Lite-XL primary goal is to provide something practical and fast, all while keeping its implementation as simple as possible. The File Explorer on the left side displays the entire file system structure, starting from the project's root folder. This intuitive layout enables you to effortlessly navigate through your project files. One standout feature of Lite-XL is its ability to seamlessly integrate with external shell terminals. Lite-XL provides a convenient way to create a keyboard shortcut that opens a command line terminal directly from the editor. Here's how to set NuShell as the command line interface. Setting up Lite-XL as your default editor for NuShell is straightforward. To ensure that NuShell uses Lite-XL as the default editor, you need to set the environment variable editor to point to the Lite-XL executable. NuShell's syntax resembles that of PowerShell, making it intuitive for those who've worked with it before. Since a dedicated syntax highlighter plugin for NuShell code doesn't yet exist, you can leverage the PowerShell highlighter by adding the .nu extension in the array of supported file types. To enhance your experience with NuShell, consider creating an alias for frequently used commands. Here's an example where we define an alias for the Lite-XL text editor. Then, when you type edit in NuShell within the command line, it will seamlessly open Lite-XL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.